Hello, Martin again from Europe, and I'm reviewing some more of Darin Martineau's magic. This time, Darin Martineau's Mysteries Volume 3. This one I'm really impressed with. The amount of magic you get is phenomenal. If you're into cards, you have really got to get this. There's some beautiful magic in there, and as always, I have gone through it myself, because if I can do it, you can do it. And it's so straightforward. But what Darin does, he doesn't just give you the tricks, he gives you the method. He explains fully how to do the sleights of hand, the double lifts, the triple lifts, the in-jogs. But there is one piece of magic in this that really, to me, stands out. And that's in one of the tricks he calls spectacle aces. The vanish using a handkerchief is absolutely spectacular. It is so brilliant. Even when you know what's happening, you still can't see it. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you really want to learn cards and card magic, this is what you need to go for. I wish when I was starting out there were people around like Darin producing videos like this. Good luck, and I hope to see you again soon.